What's up guys, this is iDevice Lab 009 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enter PwnDFU mode on your A6 and A7 devices using iPwnder32. So let's get straight into the video. So you want to open up your web browser and search for iPwnder32 and click on releases latest and download zip. Perfect. And now we can open it and now we have it into the downloads folder. So now we can open up a terminal window and do cd downloads and sudo chmod plus x iPwnder32 and click enter and type in your password and drag and drop it into the terminal. And now we can move it to the user/local/bin. So we can do sudo mv iPwnder32 space user/local/bin. And now to verify that everything works, we can close the terminal, open it back up, and run iPwnder32. And perfect, now it works. Now I'm going to show you how to enter PwnDFU mode on your A7 or A6 devices. So I have my iPhone 5 right here, which is an A6 device, and I'm going to plug it into my Mac. Perfect. And now make sure to click trust. And now we are going to run iPwnder32 space -p and click enter. And now we need to put the device into DFU mode. So we need to hold power and home button for 10 seconds until the screen goes black. And now keep holding and keep holding the home button. And now perfect. Close Finder iTunes. Now it's going to download some things. And there we go, we are now in PwnDFU mode. And now we can load iBack or load IBSS or do whatever we want, feature restore, legacy iOS kit, you name it. Thank you so much for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.